Hi and welcome to Mancave Projects. So we're working in an ensuite bathroom. It's for a friend, it's not a paying customer. They've been suffering from a lack of circulation around the house, so there's a lot of mould for us to tidy up. But also in the shower, a lot of Limescale. This particular person has tried so many different products. In fact, there's a drawer in the vanity unit just full of Limescale and mold, anti-mold products. None of them have worked. So in this video, I thought I'd show what we use in the trade. It's a homemade recipe, but a lot of people use it. It's well known, and hopefully it will definitely get rid of the Limescale, but it'll also save you a lot of money. Okay, so I'm hoping you can see this on the camera, but this is the Limescale on the inside of this shower panel. The person that owns this house has scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed it, and this is the best that she can get. Right, I don't know if you can see me through this Limescale. So we've got Astonish, Lime Blast, we're going to be placing on this side, and we have our mystery product, which I'm going to be placing on this side. We're going to leave them for 5 minutes, and then we're going to take them off using an old bath sponge. And this is another really important point. This particular person has got so desperate she started to use pan scrubbers. The thing with pan scrubbers is they will fade the glass. The minute micro scratches will end up fading the glass, and it'll almost look like Limescale. The thing about a bath sponge is, although this is a rough side, it's exfoliating, which means that it's safe to use on skin, and if it's safe to use on skin, it's safe to use on glass. So let's put our Lime Blast, that sounds fantastic, on one side. Nice generous amount, and our mystery product on the other. I'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay, so our 5 minutes is up. So let's have a go at this side. Still feels quite rough. It might be a while. Right, I've rinsed the sponge out so we don't get any contamination on this side. And it's time for our mystery product. And that is coming off very nicely indeed. In fact, I'm going to stop there. Yeah, there's a big difference. What I'm going to do now is I'll rinse it off, and then, really important, we're going to leave this to dry, because the thing about Limescale is when it's wet, it almost looks like it's disappeared anyway. It's only when Limescale dries that you see that, that white sort of calcified matter that's on the glass. So rinse it off, let it dry, and then we'll see the results. Right, so let's see the results. Now it's nice and dry. I really do hope this is picked up on the camera. So this is the Astonish Lime Blast. It has improved slightly. And this is our mystery product. Gone completely. And took a third of the time to try and clean. So the big reveal, what is in our Limescale busting spray that uses household products and absolutely wipes the floor, forgive the pun, with any of the products you can buy in your local supermarket. It's a mixture of isopropyl alcohol. You don't have to buy in 5 litre tubs. They even sell them in, I think, 500 ml bottles, but obviously we use quite a lot of it. It's an amazing disinfectant. So isopropyl alcohol, distilled vinegar or white vinegar, and we just put in a splash of lemon juice. So the mixture's 70% isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol, and this is actually a 70% dilution. That's all you need. 30% distilled or white vinegar, and as I said, we just put a splash of lemon juice because what that does, I don't think it alters the cleaning effect of the actual spray, but it kills the vinegar odour, especially when we're using it in domestic dwellings in people's houses. So that's it. We make the spray and it lasts a long time, and as you've seen from the video, it absolutely destroys Limescale. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.